Hey friends, welcome back. I am Jason Salyer and the roof is going on today. I've gone through my scrap pile and determined that this is gonna be what I need for my purlins. These are already painted gray, which is nice. Give it a nice eclectic look. But anyway, I'm gonna rip these down into 3 pieces each, and that's gonna supply me with the 24 pieces that I need to do the purlins. So I'm just roughly ripping these boards 2.5 inches, and I'm just using the guide on my saw to do it. It makes it so much easier that I'm not snapping any chalk lines or anything like that. I don't need these boards to be perfect. I just need them to be good enough. I don't know what it is about painting, but man, painting is like my least favorite activity. I can't stand it. I don't mind this kind of painting so much, but it's like the detailed nooks and crannies and things, the prep work that comes with it. Blech, man. This is a blade specifically designed to cut thin gauge metal like this. Definitely want ear and eye protection for this one. Maggie really wanted to come this time, so I was happy to oblige. Probably unnecessary, but I'm even taking the time to seal up the ends of my purlins. So my rafters are 6 feet long exactly, and I've cut my metal almost exactly 6 feet long. However, I want a little bit of overhang. I want a little bit of overhang on the metal. I don't want the metal to be flush with the wood, because when the water runs off of the edge of the metal, it's going to run right on top of the wood if I don't overhang it a few inches. So that's what I'm going to do. I am going to put the edge of my 6 foot long roofing metal right about 3 inches. 3 inches is where the top of my metal is going to be, and that will give me a 3-inch overhang on that end. I have the best wife ever. She brought me a root beer.
Not just any root beer.
A Virgil's root beer. I'm a bit of a connoisseur of root beers, if you will. Bit of a root beer snob. And when it comes to root beer, Virgil's might be my favorite.
No.
So getting this first piece perfect is really, really important, because if this is messed up, it's gonna be really messed up by the time we get to the end. So we gotta get this nice and square. Going. I have it, don't get under it. Don't get under it. There we go.
Actually looks half the size of it. No, grab the screw. Grab screw.
Okay, get out from under it. Go get another piece.
Yeah, pick it up. Oh, there she is. Behind you. You know what thing she can jump on? A cat thing? That you can,
Get up under it.
that you can like jump on. It's like.
This is a cat condo. So all that's left to do is the ridge cap right there. And I don't have any more metal like that, so I'm gonna be having to use this kind of stuff. And I think it'll be okay. I'm afraid, a little bit nervous that the water's gonna run down those ridges and then have a leaky spot somewhere where they overlap. But I'm gonna caulk it up and do the best that I can and just hope for the best, basically. Caulking in there. There we go. I caulked up the seams and I think that that's gonna work okay. Only time will tell, but I'm hoping it won't drip in the middle and be leaky. And if it does, no big deal. Just pop those screws out and replace it with something different. All right, guys. Hey, thanks so much for watching. I really, really do appreciate it. Make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Pole barn is finally done. That was a big day. I'm tired. See you next time.